guys, today I'm going to be playing some Jailbreak and with my good friend Jacob. He's Constantine the Flammable. And as you can see, I'm stuck in here, so I'm just gonna reset my character.
I'm just gonna watch you. This is entertaining.
Are you sure you don't want to play?
I am playing.
Oh, okay.
No. I just watched you kill yourself.
Oh, okay, that's mean. Oh, you only have 900. Oh.
That's just an upside down courtyard.
Wait, you only have $900, $918. I have 36,000 here. I'll give you some money.
No. I just died so much. Like,
you don't money. Your money doesn't.
Sniping you.
Oh yeah. If he does that too many times without cause, he'll get transferred to the prison.
I'm just driving through the courtyard,
Oh my gosh, you are.
Trying to escape on the
Dude, we can get out. Hold on, get out of the driver. Hold on, we can get out. Look, you get out of the driver here. Watch. Get out of the driver. I'll do it. Watch.
Hey, wait for me, dude. I gotta get a tap. Okay.
Look.
No, that's not gonna work.
No. Watch. Just watch. Watch it. I'm doing big brain. Give me a second.
Wait for the cop.
Dude, you can get out. You can jump out. Oh no! Don't jump out. Don't you jump out. I'm really low. I died.
Dude. Let's go! I did it!
You got out? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be out in a second.
Really low health.
I'll be out in a second.
Alright.
No, I'm just gonna break out the regular way.
I'm escaped. I'm gonna go to the.
I jumped out. Jacob, turn around. I'm right behind you, dude. There's no cops. We're good. Yeah, wait from me. I'm right here.
The blue car.
Let's go drive to the gun store. Go through the tunnel.
Yeah, no, I know. I know where the gun store is. I have the rifle. Like.
Oh, wait, what kind of rifle? Wait, you have the AK? You have the AK?
No, I got the other one.
The shotgun?
No.
The pistol?
It's not an AK, but it's like second best thing.
Oh, is it a Uzi?
No, it's just a rifle. It's literally called the rifle. It's the same thing as an AK, but it's not the
Wait, hold on. You have the Game Pass? You have the SWAT Game Pass?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's only $5.
Oh, darn it. I don't have it, but I have the AK, the shotgun, and the revolver. And if we get into a small corner, I can drop you some money so nobody will take it.
I'm fine.
Are you sure? Because I have $36 to spend. Or $36,000 to spend.
Pistol, smoke bomb, and C4 bomb.
Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. Let me spawn a good car. Hold on. Let me get a good car. Oh, cop! Dude, there's a cop right here. I can kill the cop. I think it's a cop.
Yeah, me too. It's a cop.
Are you sure it's a cop? I'm not sure. No, it's a crime.
I thought it was a cop.
Okay, hold on. Get in this. Hold on. Spawn a car, Jacob.
Oh, God.
Hold on, spawn a car. Don't get in that car. Hold on. Oh, Jacob, right over here. Go to the garage.
I already have a car.
No, I have a faster one.
I'm doing that.
Oh no, just get donuts. So you don't even need to rob it. Just get it, because if you get low, it'll heal you. The donuts will heal you.
No, yeah, I know, but still, I can also rob it and I get $750. Okay, you already robbed it.
No, I didn't. I just grabbed it.
I rob it because I really need the
money. Yeah, are you sure? I can just give you some money.
Yeah, that's fine.
Really? Like, I have money. I don't want money. It's fine. I have $36,000 and I don't know what to do with it. Me and these other guys yesterday, once you got off, we were in one helicopter, and we robbed the museum and came and then went to the criminal base and robbed the museum. I'll go into this building here. I'll come out. Hold on, let me come out real quick. I just gotta do something.
I literally. Oh.
Give me a second. Okay, get in.
Oh, dude.
Wait, hold on. Let me customize it.
Oh, I can actually wait. I can spawn the SWAT van.
No, you need the Game Pass.
No, I
Oh my gosh! I can get in the...
I just spawned the SWAT van.
Okay, hold on. To get in it, I can't get into the big gun. You need the game pass. You need the game pass for that. And this is faster. Just get in this.
Okay, fine.
The SWAT van's really cool and all. It's just that I don't have the game pass, so I can't man the gun on top. And hold on, let me just change my car real quick.
I'm pretty sure you can drive it though.
No, you can't. To drive it and use the gun on top, you need the hold on. Give me a second.
Oh, I have a $300 bounty on my head.
Oh, nice.
Hold on. I know the perfect place to get a helicopter, but we don't have a pass. All right, hold on. Let's go back to the jail.
Hold on. Let me equip something real quick. Boom.
Wait. Let's drive around the countryside and I'll just lean out the window and shoot cops.
Okay.
Oh, dang it. You can't shoot from this car.
No, you can.
Oh.
Do you like my cow? Do you like my cow?
Oh, there we go.
I like to drive in this game like I drive in real life. Like, follow most laws.
Shoot unless I shoot you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna use the pistol because it's easier.
You know, I'm probably gonna buy the game pass. You know, is it actually just $5?
The SWAT pass, yeah, 400 Robux or no, it's 350 Robux. But that's just the SWAT pass. So like, you can't spawn SWAT vehicles unless you're in a garage. But if you're in a garage,
or no, because you can spawn. You can use the if you buy the purchase premium garage game pass, you can automatically spawn the Jeep and the Camaro, but you can't. But it takes time. You need. Oh, dude, these guys are gonna. Hold on. Hold on, my phone's ringing. Hold on. Hold on. Who was that? Oh no, it was just my alarm going off.
It doesn't let me throw a smoke bomb right now.
Oh, don't throw it. Okay, where do you want to go to? Maybe we should head to the prison to try to kill.
Now that we have guns, we should watch an invasion.
I think that's a bad idea. One reason there are 4 cops. There are 4 cops on the server.
If we could just get a helicopter, which is pretty easy to get if you just drive around.
Oh, hold on. This guy looks like he has a key card.
No, I'm gonna see if I can steal them.
Oh, cop! Kill the cop! Oh, no. Oh, these guys got a key card, Jacob. This guy's got a key card. Jacob, get in. Get in here.
Oh, dude, I got in.
Yeah, I know, but you have to unlock the jail cell. You have to unlock this to actually get into the robbery.
Is he gonna do it?
No, he doesn't have a key card. None of us have key cards.
Who has the key card?
Another kid who went in. That's really annoying, you know? Ooh, the SWAT van.
That's why we need to go back to the city. 4 cops is nothing with the rifle.
Okay, let's do it. Get my card.
See? Oh, the cool dude? Oh, hold on. I'm gonna steal this guy's helicopter.
No, it costs money. This one costs money. Oh, get in the driver. Get in the passenger. Get in the passenger.
Okay. Alright, I'm in the passenger. He's gonna shoot us. Come on, dude. Fly us away. What's he doing? Oh, shoot, cop. No, that's not cop.
Just get out.
There's the bank truck.
Yeah, you can't use it. You have to be a cop. Oh, he doesn't have it.
Oh, that's not.
Oh, this guy has it. Or where are you, Jacob? Oh, there you are, Jacob.
Oh, there's here somewhere.
Oh yeah, he's in the helicopter. He's in that chopper. Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
I see him.
Oh, he didn't drop his key card.
I shot him though.
I killed him.
I completely killed him.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Come on. Dude,
Get my car, Jacob. Get my car. It's over here.
Prison.
It's back here.
Fine.
Get in.
Go back to the prison. I can take 4 guards in like 5 seconds.
Okay. I always forget where everything is that way.
No, the prison's that way.
We got 10 minutes. Yeah, we've been recording for 10 minutes. We should make like 5 videos.
Yeah. We're gonna need like a 5-parter for this.
Okay, this is going to be continued in 5 minutes after we probably just get ready and stuff for the next one, which is gonna happen.
We're gonna go to the place and then we'll record our invasion of the prison.
Exactly. Okay, so Jacob. Cops are coming. I think cops are coming. Oh, dude, that's a police chopper. I think. No, it's a crime chopper.
No, yeah, because you can see their name.
And the blades are red. Okay. Get out of the car. Hold on, let me lock it.
Alright, then start recording.
Oh no, I've been recording. I'm gonna end the recording soon.
Lure the cop out, dude. I lure the cop out.
Okay, I'm shooting. Shoot. Don't die. Don't get shot.
Where is she?
She's right over here. I'm shooting. She's dead. She's almost dead. Don't get arrested.
No.
I'll break you out once I kill her. No, she arrested me too.
No, I accidentally crawled instead of shot.
I got arrested. Now she's stealing my car.
Yeah, but she can't do that.
Well, yeah, because it's locked.
$600,000.
Oh no, it only cost 9,000.
Dude, I had a $300 bounty. Yay.
They got free. They just got $300.
From me.
I just got the achievement.
Let's be serious now. Let's go pickpocket that person.
Okay. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end the recording here. I think I'm gonna end the recording here, and we're gonna get some guns, and then get a key card and try to make a big prison break. See you guys. Peace out.